Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how to install Steam on macOS. So without further ado, let's get started. To install Steam, simply open any browser, search for Steam, and open the link from store.steampowered.com. Don't worry about the link, I'll provide the link in the description box. Here you'll find Install Steam button, simply click on it. Now click on Install Steam option and wait for the download process to complete. Simply open the installer file. Let me minimize the browser. Here we have the installer window. Simply drag Steam icon to Applications folder and it will get installed on your macOS. Now to open it, click on App Launcher. Here look for Steam, or else you can simply search for the application and open it. Here click on Open and it will start updating the Steam. Wait for the process to complete. After that, you will get a login page. Here simply log in to your Steam account. After that, you are ready to install PC games on your Mac. Let me show you how you can download games. For that, simply search for the game you want to play and check whether the game is supported on your macOS. If the game is supported for Mac, you will get Apple logo. Simply click on it, purchase the game and simply click on play button and it will download the game. After that, you are ready to play PC games on your Mac. So that's it. This is how you can install Steam on macOS. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.